Hello, it's SJ, and I'm back with another unboxing. And I have a huge box next to me. So, you've read the title, you know what this is. It is the Nike Air Jordan 4 Off White collab. We're going to speed up right about now. Actually, that didn't take that long, really, because it was a pull for freshness box. Feels like a while since I've done one of those. So, wow, I can't believe I've actually got these. So, a little bit of a story. I was kind of expecting these to be cancelled because they got delayed. So, I am surprised they even turned up. So, let's get to it. We're going to do the normal things. So, I'm going to read out the details. These are the... It's such a big box, I haven't got room. These are the women's Air Jordan 4 Retro SP. They're in sale. Muslin, white, black. They are a UK 6.5. Yes, I went up half a size, which makes them a US women's 9, a European 40.9, and they're a men's US 7.5. So let's take a look at the box, because it's a pretty special box and it is a little bit damaged. And I'm not sure if that's going to get picked up. So you've got the Air Jordan Jumpman logo, flights. Then you've got these holes in the box, which give you the sneak peek of the sneakers. Let me bring it around so you can see all angles. Look at that. So you've got like the black cement sole, I think it is, that they've kind of used for the inspiration for the box. I'm probably got that wrong, but yeah, special box there. So let's get to it. Okay, didn't expect that. Right, I'm just gonna bring this up to the camera. Oh, are you seeing that? Look at that. So they've got, I'm not sure whether that's a bag or just branded cellophane, but you've got the Off-White Air Jordan wrapped all around the sneakers. So let's get these out and have a proper look. I think it is just, yeah, it's like cellophane wrap rather than tissue paper. These are quite special. Wow. Okay, these are nice. These are so nice. Look at that, people. So these are, I think, my first Jordan 4. Now, in my podcast that I did with Mr. B ages ago, I talked about a pair of Jordans that I had with a kid, and I can't remember. They were infrared, I know that, but I can't remember whether they were a 4 or 5. I think they were the 5 from back in the day. So these will actually be my first Jordan 4s. And look at that. Let's take another look. I'm just going to spin it around. So you've got the Jumpman tag at the front here. Oh, can't quite see what I'm doing. Then you've got the Off-White tag here. Then underneath the Jumpman, sorry, you can see where it has air. And it's a really nice. So these are sale, and it's just really nice. This off-white, excuse the pun. I'm just going to flip it round just so you can have a good look. And we'll take this over to the other camera just to get a bit more of an in-depth look. Now, Mr. B is doing this because he knows it's going to absolutely flipping kill my arm because I've been doing weights over the last few days. Now, that is some bright white sneaker. They are not that white in real life, people. They are very much sale. So we're going to go back to one of the other cameras and let's see if this one picks it up any better. How is that? How is that? Oh, that's quite nice. If I can hold it in the right position. How's that for you, Mr. B, behind the camera? Yeah, I'm getting a thumbs up. So that colour is that off-white. Now, these are just so nice. They are nicer than I was expecting, and I'm not sure if the materials are really coming across on the camera. This is really nice leather. It's super soft. It's almost like that. I don't know whether it's leather or suede, actually, like a suede nubuck. It's quite hard to tell. Then you've got around here, around the front, you've got like mesh covering it. I don't know, again, there you go, you can just see it there in the camera. Then you've got this mesh here through the through where the tongue tab is. And unusual for a pair of Jordans, although I'm saying that I don't have Jordan 4s, they're laced. See? Jordans don't normally come factory laced. Then you've got the Air Jordan at the top here. You've got the, actually let me show you on this side, it's easier. You've got the mesh panel here, and it's got the printing that they used on the 10, where it has Oregon, off-white, blah blah blah. I can't remember what else it says. Then on the back you've got Nike Air in like a see-through plastic, and I'm just going to bring this in to have a look inside. And on the laces, it says, let's bring this into the camera, it says shoelaces. And on the inside, these are so nice. There's so many nice little details. On the inside, this is going to be really hard to see. Right. I don't know the best way to do this. Like that, maybe? On the inside, there you go. You can see it's stitched and it says Air Jordan on a tab on the inside. So the materials, I know a lot of people were saying how nice the materials are on these. And they are really nice. That is a really, really nice leather. I'm just going to get, I actually haven't got the other one out. Let's get it out. Because in here as well is the spare laces. So this one probably should have been the one I brought up to the camera actually, because it hasn't got the flipping great big tag on it. But there, I guess the only thing, I think they're meant to be like it. So you've got like almost like a deconstructed look around the edge, which I'm not sure if it's coming over. Yes, you can see it if I bring it right into the camera, you can see it. And also that camera view is actually just showing how nice the materials are. Super, super nice. And of course, there's the sole. You actually have a nice little pop of colour on the sole, that blue. That's really nice. I like that blue. Yeah, I am really liking these. No other different details on this, apart from, as I said, it hasn't got the Jumpman tag and it hasn't got the off-white security tag, shall we call it. Now let's have a look in the box, because there are different laces. So you've got, you've got that really, really nice blue colour that flashes on the sole. I like that. They'll look really nice with those laces. Or there's more of an off-white lace. Again, sorry, I say shoelace. It says shoelaces on it as well. Or there's black. I'm not feeling the black personally. I think that would be too harsh on these sneakers. I like the cleanliness of these sneakers and the simplicity of them. So I think putting black laces in will just be a bit too much for me. I am just looking at this toe box because it's not perfect, and I think that's purely down to the softness of the materials. Do you know what it's reminded me? The materials on here, and I'm just gonna bring this in. I'm not sure if you can see those marks, just ever so slightly, but if I rub my finger over it, no, you can't really see, but it reminds me. Let's try this camera. Yay, nay. No, can't really see it. I'll go back to the main camera again. So the materials used on these, it kind of reminds me of the leather used on the Deconstructed Nike SB series. So on my white Nike SB Blazers, it's that kind of really, really soft, really, really nice leather. That will wear and age really, really well, but will pick up all the dirt. So it's a good job I've got some Jason Mark spray, although I'm not sure if I'm brave enough to try it on these. I don't know. But yeah, these are super, super nice. I was so lucky to get these. I went in for a couple of draws. I tried on the sneakers app and Mr. B actually got them for me. So massive thanks to Mr. B behind the camera for these. He's waving at me. We're doing this unboxing quite late in the evening, so I want to get this out. I will be doing an on foot of these because they're just too nice not to do an on foot, so keep an eye out for that. And then you'll have like my reactions over the sizing as well, because as I said, I went up half size for a couple of different reasons, and also just to see what they feel like on foot, because I haven't had J4 before. So if you are new around here and you don't know, you haven't subscribed yet and you like what we're doing, hit the old subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment on these. Did you actually manage to get these? I know that these were really a women's drop. They did go up to some big sizes for you guys out there, but I know some of you couldn't get them in your size. But let me know if you've got these in the comments, what you think of them. Even if you don't like them, give them the old thumbs down. I know we've talked about this a lot on the channel. A lot of us have been over the Virgil Nike collab. Personally, I have been, and kind of felt they should have stopped with the 10. The reason why I went for these is because I do think they're the cleanest drop since the 10. And the only other one I would have really wanted was the Blazer, obviously. Anyway, I'll stop rambling on. So yeah, hit the old subscribe, give us a like, leave us a comment, and don't forget to go and watch one of the other videos that is coming up over here right about now. Go on.